Hi, my name is Marlene, and I'm here standing in front of the Wagon Wheel neighborhood. This neighborhood originally had a motel, office, and a restaurant complex called the Wagon Wheel Junction. The original site was constructed by an Oxnard developer named Martin V. Smith in 1947. It had a whole Western theme, and it also used to have a bowling alley, a trailer park, and there was also a lot of working class people in this area before it became like this. And on the inside of the motel, it had iron lamps from branding irons and spurs, and it had wooden beds, chairs, lamps, which was like a typical look, like sort of to replicate like the Western and like cowboy films in the 1940s. And in the restaurants, they had windows made of wagon wheels and chairs that were made from cowhide. But sadly, later on in the early 2000s, both the restaurant and the motel ended up closing shortly after Smith had passed away in 2001. Thank you for listening, and please like and subscribe, and that's about it. Thank you.